Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin with safety and system awareness. Verify your Montero's 4x4 variant because the how differs between manual shift on the fly and full-time 4WD. Once confirmed, inspect tires for equal size and proper pressure and park on firm level ground. Make sure the transmission is in neutral or park as required. Now engage 4H by moving the transfer case lever or turning the selector. Do it smoothly, and listen for engagement clicks so you know the front axle has locked in. Once you need maximum traction, stop the vehicle, hold the brake, and shift the transmission to neutral, then select 4L. You do this because low range multiplies torque and controls speed, so use first gear or keep RPM low. While moving, apply steady throttle and smooth steering inputs to prevent driveline shock and wheel spin. Make sure to modulate brakes rather than grab them if you must change gears in 4L. Come to a complete stop first, so the transfer case engages cleanly. To finish, shift back to 2H or the Montero's normal driving mode before rejoining pavement. Prolonged 4H or 4L on dry pavement risks binding and extra wear. If you experience binding or a tight feeling, stop, rock the vehicle gently back and forth, then reselect the correct mode. Do not drive at speed in 4L. And if unusual grinding or clunks occur, make sure to check transfer case, fluid level, and linkage. Those inspections often reveal the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.